Hi, so today we're going to be making maple butter cinnamon buns. First we're going to add 3 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, quick yeast, and mix all the dry ingredients together. Warm milk, 250 milliliters. And finally we're going to add some butter. Mix it all together until the dough is combined. When the dough is starting to form, you can mix with your hands. When it is all mixed, start kneading the dough. Add the excess flour on top of the dough. Knead until the dough is soft. Try not to add more flour as it can turn too dry. You can stop kneading when the dough starts bouncing back, and then put it in your bowl and wrap it with some cling film. Then put a towel over it. Put it in for 20 minutes on 100 degrees. After 20 minutes, you can take these out of the oven and the dough should have doubled in size. So when you take the dough out of the oven, it should have doubled in size and it will be a little bit more sticky. So sprinkle some flour on top of your surface and on your roll. Pick the dough up. It should be warm and fluffy. Add some more flour to make sure that the dough won't stick. Mix it, knead it a bit, and then you can start rolling it out. Roll it out into a rectangle. To ensure that the dough is good, you can poke it and see if it comes back. Make sure the dough is around 1 to 1/2 centimetre thick. After the dough is rolled out, you can get some softened butter and spread it all around your dough. Sprinkle some sugar on, then add some cinnamon. Spread it all around so there's an even amount of sugar and cinnamon everywhere. Start rolling and make the roll as tight as you can. So cut them in the middle. Just keep on cutting until they're in a good size. Spread some butter around the pan and add the cinnamon rolls to the pan. Make sure to leave some space so the cinnamon rolls can rise. Add some tin foil on top and put in the oven on 100 degrees for 10 minutes. Now we're going to take off the foil. And as you can see, the cinnamon rolls have grown. So we're going to whisk up this egg and add some egg wash to our cinnamon rolls. After you have coated them in egg wash, you can put them in the oven for one last time for 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees. While the cinnamon rolls are cooking, we can make some maple butter sauce. First, add some maple syrup to the warm milk and then add some melted butter. Mix it all together until it forms a liquid sauce. Take these out of the oven.
Oh, that's so big!
And you can add some sauce that we made earlier on top. The sauce should make them extra moist and sweet. We'll take out one cinnamon roll. As you can see, they're fluffy and soft, and they're very delicious.